Hi guys, so today we're gonna try and do the motovlog challenge accepted 10-minute challenge. This video is all about doing a 10-minute vlog with no editing, and you can't have any silences for more than 30 seconds, I believe. I believe this was challenge was laid down by Paddy Outback, I believe. There's going to be lots of ums and ahs. Quite a few bloggers have succeeded this, and quite a few of them make it look very easy. But I have had a couple of goes at this, and it's not been successful. So it's a lovely day on the way to work, so I thought I'd take the bike in. I've not had it out for a few days, so it's been nice to get back onto it. So we are riding at the moment in Dagenham, which is in Essex or East London, depends on your outlook. We don't really work far from home, so it's not a massive ride, but I might just ride around until the 10 minutes are up. If I am feeling a little bit successful this time on doing it. So you can't use any scripts or anything, so it's got to be off the cuff as you are. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. So a few people have made it look very easy. I don't think it's quite as easy as that. So we will see how we fare. So I think we've got some roadworks down here. Just to keep the video a bit longer. So like I say, I don't really work too far away from home. I won't be filtering. I'll just be sitting down just to make the ride a little bit longer. CBF. Now, but it went into neutral. So yeah, so we're just going to take a nice little leisurely ride in at work. I say it's a very nice day out today, so it's makes perfect sense to do this challenge today, really. So yeah, check out the Facebook challenge accepted motovlog site. Is full of weird and wonderful challenges. A few that I will be trying to do at a later date, but yeah, this is really my first one that I'll be doing. So what are we riding? We're riding a 2015 KTM Duke. It's only 125. I'm riding it on a CBT at the moment. I will be doing direct access next year. Well, if funds are available, I will be doing it. And then we'll see what we get. But it really is a nimble little bike. sounds quite nice. I've got a Lextech back box on it with the baffles taken out. It's got quite a few little extra bits on it that was on it before I had it, so I didn't put them on. So yeah, it's quite a nice bike. You pay a little bit extra for them, and especially as a 125, because I think you got a little bit of a premium on the 125s. But yeah, it's quite nice. This has got quite a lot of anodised stuff. It's got fat boy bars on it, so they're a bit wider, the bars. And yeah, it handles really, really well. It's got the KTM power parts seat on it, which makes it a little bit nicer to sit on, I suppose. But then I haven't really sat on a standard one, so I don't quite know. It's got a bit of anodised stuff on the foot pegs are anodised. It's got the in-bar mirrors, which I weren't really happy with to begin with, but once you start riding them, they're not that bad to get used to, and the view ain't that bad, to be honest. The pickup's okay. Like I say, it's only a 125, so it is nothing special. Yeah, it's a bit of fun for the summer, really. I'm only really intending to ride pretty much throughout the summer. Because I don't particularly like the rain, and I feel a lot of people around where I am, well, probably everywhere, don't tend to look for bikes, and in the winter, if they've got the window up and the radio on and the heater going, then they're not looking for you, and they certainly can't hear you. So yeah, it's only for the bit of summer, really. So I think we're about halfway to work now. There's a few more roadworks up here, so I might get a bit more extra time in there. So yeah, check out the Motovlogs channel. It's a very, very good channel. Page on Facebook. I will put a link in the description. And there's always new challenges being posted up. I think Hippodrones, sorry if I got your name wrong, he's just posted one up of visit every place beginning with A to Z in a video under 10 minutes long, which will be quite a challenge, because I think the video's got to be about 20 seconds long on each one. No. So yeah, I think the video can only be about 20 something seconds long. I'm not sure I'll be able to get around to that one. So I've only just really started YouTubing, so don't really do a lot of editing. It's pretty much raw footage. And yeah, and I do some other little bits and pieces. It's not just motovlogging that I do some other bits and pieces, so Yeah, I think we're coming up to 10 minutes now, I hope, if my clock's right anyway. So, not too bad this time round. There is one thing that irks me a little bit with a bike. And I don't know if it's the boots, I don't think it is, but finding neutral sometimes is a pain. So yeah, if you get a set of lights that takes a while to change, then it can be a bit of a pain. But apart from that, that's the only sort of thing that annoys me with a bike. I do have another mirror first, a bit of a blind spot mirror. Giving me quite a bit of vision down to the side of me, so that's why you don't see me doing massive amount of shoulder checks. I think this is the only last bit of roadworks we get on the way to work now. It's all pretty much plain sailing. Oh no, another set here, look great. I don't quite know what they're doing here apart from sitting in there and drinking coffee. We'll leave this clear here. So yeah, I think that's about the 10-minute mark now, but I'll carry on going. I think the camera's set up for a 10-minute video anyway, and I think it automatically cuts off and makes a new one after 10 minutes. I'm not 100% sure, so I'll have to have a look in a minute, or when I get home, which is in a minute for you, but not for me. Yeah, so hopefully that's the 10 minutes up, and I have successfully completed my first Motovlogs Challenge Accepted challenge set by Paddy Outback Rider. So if it is, thank you very much for setting the challenge. Check out the channels, guys. Help out your smaller YouTubers, because it really does help grow. And I think everyone goes through a little bit of a lull where they think, oh, I don't think this YouTube likes for me, and it does help everyone out. And let's face it, we're all here to help each other, aren't we?